Silk from the Hearts presents How to Hold Your Silk Scarf in Place.
Let me show you an easy way to tie a scarf that is very versatile and will add a real nice flair to your wardrobe. First of all, this is an 11 by 60 inch scarf, so we're going to fold it in half, wrap it around your neck, take one end and pull it through, and then you have an upper loop and a lower loop, so pull out the lower loop and go over and under, and there you have a nice almost a basket weave around your neck, framing your face. You can turn it to the side or you can wear it down straight inside a jacket. But if you turn it to the side, you want to add a little bit more flair and you want to keep it in place. I have a cool trick. Take two magnets, one very small craft magnet that's very powerful and one refrigerator magnet that's not so powerful. Take your little magnet and take it on the outside, put it right under the fold of the fabric, and take the big one and put it inside and then just pull it right over the top. And then you can adjust it however you want. And the beauty of this scarf, because it has two different colored ends, you have all the jewel tones framing your face, and it just really sets off black or turquoise or purple or blue.
For the finest in unique silk scarves and ties, shop silkfromthehearts.com.